Supreme Court is all set to hear Uddhav Thackeray faction's plea challenging the decision of the EC recognizing the Shinde faction as the real Sena. Now, in its petition, Uddhav faction sought a stay on the EC order as interim relief. Now, Uddhav faction have accused the Election Commission of being biased and allege that the EC behaved in a manner that undermines its constitutional status. Now, Supreme Court will also take up the issue on whether rebellion by the Shinde faction amounts to defection in the party. My colleague Harish is joining us on the phone line to give us details. Harish, now the Supreme Court is all set to hear the Uddhav Thackeray faction's plea that had challenged the decision of the Election Commission that previously, of course, recognized the Shinde faction as the real Sena. We know that Uddhav faction had sought a stay on the EC order as an interim relief. So, what are we expecting today? How things are going forward from this?
The lawyers for Uddhav faction, Abhishek Mani Singhvi and Kapil Sibal had, in fact, cited the sought urgent hearing of the appeal filed against the Election Commission order, saying that the Shinde faction is taking over its offices, freezing accounts, and soon may take over the bank accounts. Yesterday, the Chief Justice bench had agreed to hear the matter today at 3:30. And as you rightly said, the Uddhav faction is seeking a stay of the Election Commission order, also status quo to be maintained, and said no precipitative or coercive action be taken till appeal is pending in Supreme Court. And it also said that it is linked with issues pending before the Constitution bench, so Election Commission decision should be kept in abeyance till Constitution bench verdict. And in fact, as rightly said, Election Commission, the Uddhav camp has said that Election Commission acted in a very biased manner and gave unfair treatment to Uddhav camp. And Election Commission erred in holding that there is a split. Election Commission erred in relying upon strength of legislators who are under a cloud of disqualification. And the Uddhav camp also claimed overwhelming majority in the organizational echelons of the party, rank and file of the party, ground level workers, cadre supports, and also said that legislative majority could not have been made basis of the Election Commission verdict. And even if it was permitted, the Election Commission ignored the fact that Uddhav camp had majority in Legislative Council, 12 out of 12 MLAs, and Rajya Sabha, 3 out of 3 MPs. So these are the arguments, and today we'll have to wait and see what kind of order the bench led by Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, will pass after the hearing, which will commence at 3:30. So a very crucial day as far as the Sena versus the Uddhav Sena versus Shinde Sena raging battle over the symbol is concerned. Back to you.
All right, Harish, thank you for giving us those details on that story.